How to add a new yarn ball. The technique for joining a new yarn ball is identical to the standard color change method. You may encounter a knot in your working yarn while crocheting. This is a special case of the add a new yarn ball. Now, we should cut the yarn on both sides of the knot. Take the yarn attached to your yarn ball, leave a 5 cm to inch yarn tail, and place it on the back or inside of your work. Use the middle finger and thumb of your non-dominant hand to hold both yarn tails. Yarn over with working yarn, and pull the yarn through both loops on your hook. Your new yarn ball join is complete. Keep holding the yarn tails until you have finished the next stitch.